thousands of years, it has been the belief of the Vietnamese people that the forests and all they contain exist to be used by mankind. Hunting of animals was the only way a man could feed his family and provide them with medicine. Vietnamese people hold on strongly to the traditions of their culture. But as population expands and forests decline, pressure is pushing precious wildlife to the brink of extinction, and the connection between people and nature is being lost.
In an increasingly urbanized world, Vietnamese children have a limited opportunity to connect with nature. To keep children safe, parents encourage their children to spend more time inside with technology than exploring the world outside. Any interaction they do have with animals and plants is often not gentle. In addition, the Vietnamese school curriculum does not teach wildlife education.
Save Vietnam's Wildlife have developed a revolutionary new school education program that aims to rekindle a love between children and wildlife from an early age.
We have created the first ever wildlife education program for kindergarten children in Vietnam, and our pilot tests have already provided over 1,200 kids with the opportunity to explore the forest and our wildlife for the first time in their lives.
The moment those children step off that bus and into the forest, you can tell this is going to be a life-changing day for them.
For some, their faces light up with joy, and others are actually quite scared.
The education staff at Save Vietnam's Wildlife are supportive, enthusiastic, and incredibly talented. They mentor the children through some warm-up activities using music and dance to release built-up energy. They then settle by the lake for a powerful exercise where they awaken all their senses to connect with the sounds, smells, and feelings of the forest around them. Once calm, the mentors share a story about a young boy and girl who embark on a journey into the forest. Research has shown that storytelling is the most powerful way to activate our brains.
We use storytelling a lot in this program, particularly if the children are scared of the forest.
By now, the kids are keen to explore, and we introduce the concept of becoming a junior explorer, equipping them with the tools and knowledge to find hidden signs of animal life in the forest. Once their curiosity is at least partly satisfied, we introduce a very important concept where the vector of rubbish is used to help the kids understand their important role as guardians and caretakers of the natural environment.
The children can be very competitive, so we use fun games and friendly competition to help them identify Vietnam's native wildlife species.
After lunch and a well-earned rest, the second phase of the program takes place at the Carnivore and Pangolin Education Center.
In 2016, we were able to raise enough funding to build a state-of-the-art education center in Cuc Phuong National Park, filled with modern interactive interpretation designed to encourage the children to explore and learn in a fun, engaging manner.
The activities in the Education Centre focus on 4 key native species: pangolin, binturong, Austin civet and the leopard cat. The children learn to identify these animals and their paw prints, understand the threats these animals face trying to survive in the wild, and see the work that Save Vietnam's Wildlife do to rescue and rehabilitate the animals so they can be released back to the wild. Finally, the children have the chance to meet some real-life animal residents of the Education Centre, to watch them being fed and to see with their own eyes just how incredible these animals really are.
We have built some wonderful exhibits to how native animals who have been rescued from the illegal wildlife trade and who are unable to be released back to the wild. These animals are ambassadors for their species, helping kids to fall in love with them, which will inspire the kids to protect them for the future.
At the moment, Save Vietnam's Wildlife are actually paying 100% of the costs to bring the children here to participate in this Valuing Nature in Childhood program.
The next step of the plan is that the school and parents have seen how powerful and effective this program is. and we contribute half the cost of running the program.
Raising awareness for conservation in developing countries has always been an uphill battle, but Save Vietnam's Wildlife are leading the way when it comes to inspiring the next generation of leaders to be passionate about wildlife and environmental protection.